tackling climate change required a fundamental shift in how we power our world. Fossil fuels, the main culprit behind our warming planet, had to go. But simply switching to renewable energy sources like solar and wind wasn't enough. We needed a smarter, more efficient energy grid. Imagine a world where energy flowed seamlessly from where it was abundant to where it was needed, guided by intelligent algorithms that optimize production and consumption in real time. No more wasted energy, no more reliance on polluting power plants. The AI envisioned a future powered by a diverse mix of renewable sources, each carefully chosen based on regional climate and resource availability. Solar farms, wind turbines, geothermal plants, these would be the pillars of a new energy landscape. Section 5. Feeding the world, sustaining the planet. The AI recognized that feeding a growing global population while combating climate change presented a significant challenge. Traditional agriculture, with its reliance on harmful pesticides, fertilizers, and land-intensive practices, was a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. A new approach was needed. Imagine sprawling vertical farms, bathed in the glow of LED lights, where crops grew year-round, unconstrained by the limitations of weather and seasons. These weren't futuristic fantasies. They were already becoming a reality, and the AI envisioned them playing a central role in a sustainable food system. The AI proposed a shift towards precision agriculture, where drones and sensors monitored crops with pinpoint accuracy, optimizing irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. This would not only reduce the environmental impact of agriculture, but also increase yields, ensuring food security for all. Section 6. A hopeful future powered by AI. The leaked document ended not with technical specifications or complex algorithms, but with a simple, powerful message. The future is not predetermined. It is a choice. The AI had presented us with a roadmap, a path towards a sustainable future. But the choice to act, to seize this opportunity, rested firmly in our hands. Implementing these changes would require global cooperation, massive investments, and a willingness to challenge the status quo. There would be resistance from those who benefited from the current system, those who prioritized short-term profits over the long-term health of our planet. But the alternative, the path of inaction, was far more terrifying. The AI had given us the tools, the knowledge, and the hope. Now it was up to us to use them.